So we're here training. I can barely see you. Oh, there you are. It was looking so dark. You're training for Tokyo, huh?
Yeah.
You ready?
Training for Tokyo. You got 3 weeks left now, so
Yes.
we're getting ready.
And he got marathon coming up.
Yeah, Mr. Marathon coming up.
Yeah.
It's coming.
Yes. And we're here training. And it's raining today. And then it gets chilly. And then it gets warm. And then it changes again. Now it's foggy. Look at it. All fog.
Tokyo weather, huh?
Oh. We're going to be burning up in Tokyo. We're going to die in Tokyo. Oh, no, it starts raining now. Oh my God. Ale. I'm French now. Huh? It's raining. And I'm trying to run up this hill. Death wish. Whew. The rain came down so hard. And it's so chilly too. Oh my God. Pray for me, guys. Pray for me. Look at this. So. Busher! You see the sun trying to come out now after we get wet? Oh my gosh. This is weird. Huh? Look at this. And I literally just, like, a couple seconds ago, it was like, oh, I'm chilly, it's raining. Say hello to my vlog.
Looking good. She's ready for the World Championship Tokyo. She's coming.
Tell me, how is this possible? Look at the sun coming out now. It was just raining.
Is the guy coming?
Which guy?
Rabi.
We about to head out to Jimin. Yeah. Look how nice outside is now compared to earlier. Outside is nicer now, ain't it? Compared to early this morning.
Very nice.
It's like almost 5 o'clock now. And there's sun. It was raining in the morning.
Very beautiful.
You are cool. You said this morning was beautiful. I have me running out of the rain. Let me get a snack. You want a biscuit? Cracker or whatever you all call it. Shopping up for today.
Tiger pajamas.
Yeah. What you making?
Not quite sure. Some sort of pasta dish.
Okay.
But we're going with the flow.
Going with the flow.
So I don't know what it's called yet.
You don't know what it's called yet?
No.
So what kind of meat is this?
That's not meat. I don't even know.
I mean, I know it's not meat, but vegetarian people.
This thing. Maxi crottis.
Oh.
Cheesy lentils. We need Google Translate again, don't we?
Uh-huh. Yep. So this is the chef for tonight.
La, la.